Hello, welcome to SpecTech. Today we are unboxing Botestone 175W portable Bluetooth speakers. Let us get to unboxing. The Amazon link will be in the description box below. The corrugated box is looking nice and a strong blue color is used for the packaging box. There is branding all over the box, which is Boat True Wireless Portable. Opening the box we'll see Boat brand cards. The accessories for the speakers include a micro USB charging cable to charge 2 lithium polymer batteries of the speaker, ensuring that nothing stands between you and your favorite music. Even though it is a wireless speaker, an aux cable with 3.5mm jack is provided. That's a good option when Bluetooth connectivity is having any issues. The next we are taking out of the box is the Botestone 175W portable Bluetooth speakers. With true wireless sound. Output at the front with a meshed pattern. On top is Boat branding. Integrated controls to set the vibes. With a multi-function button, and volume buttons that allow for easy interface. On the bottom is the Boat branding. At the back, it has a slot of charging. A 3.5mm aux slot. And an SD card slot. And it comes with a rubber sleeve closing. The other contents of the box are the product manufacturer 1-year warranty card, user manual. Coming to the speaker, turning on the device with integrated buttons, with the model name and input parameters. Okay, the device is ready to be paired with any Bluetooth compatible devices. I am using a mobile phone. Turning on the Bluetooth, searching for Botestone, give permissions and pair the device. There are voice commands which is very helpful to know the status. And on your phone on the top, you can see the connectivity status of the speaker and the battery percentage of the speaker. Okay, now I am playing some NCS music on my phone. Speaker's maximum output power is 5 watts. Up to 6 hours of musical extravaganza. It comes with a huge battery capacity of 1,800 mAh. Charging time of 1.5 to 2 hours, and playtime of 6 hours. Premium HD sound, for audiophiles that love catching every snare and snap with that deep booming bass. That allows for a memorable listening experience on the power output of 5 watts. Compact IPX6 water resistant design. And HD premium sound cobalt blue. Let us see the aux connectivity. Using the integrated button on the right side, tap once to change into aux mode. Let us see the charging port. It is easy, just plug in the USB charging cable. And attach it to the adapter. or to a USB port to charge the device. Up to 6 hours of musical extravaganza. It comes with a huge battery capacity of 1800 mAh, charging time of 1.5 to 2 hours, and playtime of 6 hours. That is not all. Boat Stone is water resistance. IPX level 6. Slip and slide on your favorite rides with the waves of Nirvana in this compact design that carries an IPX6 water resistant design. If you want to watch more such videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. After watching the video till smash the like button. This is SpecTech, signing off.